We're doing a really intensive piece of research called a discovery with a team from the centre. We're looking at the massive amounts of change that have happened in general practice over the last few years in how people get in contact with the GP practice and access services. Now, some of those changes have been talked about for a long time. For example, increased use of triage, where you can ask some questions whenever you get in touch with your GP practice, so that make sure that you access the most appropriate part of the service. But the pace of change has been extraordinary because of COVID, because it had to be. And now we want to take stock. We want to dig deep into the experiences of GP practices and of their patients and the public to find out what those changes have felt like. Which things have been really useful, work well, you'd want to see more of, you want to see more of that happening, and which things feel like a bit of an experiment whose time has come and gone. Those are the kind of questions that we want to be able to answer through this piece of research that's called a discovery. And when we have the answers, we'll be able to work with the people that are designing tech and policy to make sure that what they build meets the needs of everyone.